Howdy, and welcome to Broken Tool Garage. What am I doing this week? Finishing up the rear end stuff on Project Phoenix, my 91 Fox Mustang. I'm throwing in the rear Swaybar. Okay, about to put Swaybar on, and I just want to note that this car did not come with a Swaybar. Neither did Jim. And this Swaybar here, I'm pretty sure this is one of the junkyard ones that I got. It's either was off a convertible SN95 or it was off, I think all the new Edges have rear Swaybars and only convertible SN95s. I can also get the subframe connectors off those convertible cars too. So that's a couple things you can get for $15, $20 a piece. You know, hey, you don't have a Swaybar, 15 bucks, go get you a Swaybar. So, anyways, let me get this through. I'll get you set up over there and get this thing thrown right on. I'll just toss it. Just whoop, toss it, and it'll just go right on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get it up there and put one bolt in and one bolt in over there on the very far end, right? So that'll be, looking at from this angle, that bolt right there is the one that I'll put in first, and that'll allow it to pivot and it'll hold it up in place. Okay, that finishes up what I'm doing to the rear end on Project Phoenix. There's nothing else I need to do back here. It's all clean. Eastwood rubberized rust encapsulators on it. Internal frame coatings in there. I got the V8 springs in. Swaybar's back on. Now I don't have shocks on, but I have a video on just how to do shocks on a Fox body. So, wow, progress. Alright. So I'm finished with Project Phoenix for now. As you can see, the Ram charger is here and Phoenix is moved around and all that good stuff, right? So this is how I went about doing some work on Phoenix. If you've been watching, you've known that since it's been in here, I've done the chassis cleanup, I've put in the coil springs, I put in the sway bar, and showed you kind of how I went about doing all that good stuff, right? So now it's time to jump on the Ram charger for a little bit. Alright. So if you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, don't be afraid to comment, or even share. And I'll see you next time on Broken Tool Garage. Chapter 10, Tender Warrior. I have read that chapter and I have answered my questions. Coming in, or actually, sorry, chapter 11. Wow. We're over halfway done with this, guys. Next week is chapter 12, Real Men Stand Together. A Man and His Friends, part 1. That's going to be some good stuff. That's one place where us guys, we don't do so well and really bonding with our friends and you know, have some good deep relationships right there, right? And that's important. All right, well, I'll let you go on this one, and make sure to tune in next week, because doing some more cool stuff.